Gmaster is a Git client, but there are a few features that set it apart from all the other tools. The first one is the branch explorer. It's a sort of diagram you draw on a blackboard to explain how the project goes, but this time it's interactive. You can diff from here, you can create other branches from here, you can merge from here, you can do everything from the branch explorer. Second is a side-by-side diff. You can easily diff your code, and it comes with some added features like move code detection. You see there's a line checking this piece of code that was moved, and it's very easy to just go from one to the other and even sub-diff it, as we call it, and this time it was just move, no changes. Third is semantic diff. Gmaster parses your code before calculating the differences, so here you can see how a method was actually moved, and Gmaster knows there are no actual changes, just a method moved to a different location within the same file. But if you move and also modify your method, Semantic can help you too. Here you can see how we can simply go and reformat, and then you actually go for the real changes. You don't focus on the formatting ones, just on the actual one. Fourth comes the ability to detect code that has been moved to a different file. Look at this branch. I moved this local file class into its own new file. Gmaster is detecting the case and telling me some code was moved. I just click there and it shows me an explanation of what actually happened. You see how the method was moved from one class to another and then also modified. If I click on local file now, it's no longer just added, it knows a multi-file move happened. I can even go and click and diff the actual change, and even that it happened across files is still detected. And finally comes the built-in merge. Suppose that we modify the original code that was later moved on a different branch. What will happen? You just click and merge this commit, and then you see the merge window. This is one of the strong points in Gmaster because you get a great explanation of what's going on. But here it will go even farther because it's detecting that code in the merge has been moved to a different location and modified. You just show it and then it will show up an explanation of the actual semantic multi-file merge. You see how the create new method was modified by one contributor while moved and modified by the other. If you click on process all merges, you will see semantic multi-file merge in action. It knows the method has been modified by two contributors in two different files and it's able to merge it. You just go click and merge, and then you are able to merge this specific method that was modified by two different contributors. And these are basically some of the top features that make Gmaster different for all the other tools.